Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit star studs on our green machine. Here is a pronged star stud. You see these little prongs up here. And we'll have a look at our two-part die set. So this is going to be your base die. It's got a star shape in the top and it is spring loaded. That goes into the bottom of the machine, and this is your top die. It's like a disc that will screw into the top of the machine. We'll take our star stud and we'll make sure that we flip this upside down so the prongs are facing upwards, and that goes into the star-shaped hole of our base die. We'll take our leather, hold it over the top and just compress. There is the star stud. You should be able to see these prongs all folded over on the back. We'll do it once more. So star stud upside down. Take your material, flip it over and compress. There it is again.